I'm the little banana who will teach you how to twist a swimming hand today. It's super cute and chubby. Let's twist it together. First, make a sweet worm inside the banana. Fold the tweezers at any length. Keep adding banana iron. The sweet worm tweezers can be more or less in the middle. After a certain thickness, it can be rounded. Round all the sweet worm tweezers. Twist the banana tweezers. Finally, twist the banana tweezers in the middle to make the effect of 2 lines. Similarly, twist a T-shaped banana cake. Twist the banana tweezers. Fix it with glue. Apply green powder on each step to make it look better. Finally, stick cute little eyes on it. Put on some blush and you're done.